Hi everyone, today we are in Ruiru Matangi, exactly 700 meters from the tarmac. Behind me is a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom maisonette with a print area of 220 square meters. The price of the home is 10 million and the home is built on a 40 by 80 lot. The gate of this home opens to the parking area and the parking lot can hold a maximum of 3 cars. Just come inside. The parking area comes with a source of water just in case you need to wash your cars. And on the opposite side, you have a blank socket for the days that you need power outside. The main entrance of the home is here, and you are welcomed by a double door, which is made of steel for durability. Let's get inside. From the entrance, you can't deny the fact that this living room is extremely beautiful, and it comes with these 3 windows that give you maximum natural light. The living room also comes with very well crafted gypsum ceilings that magnify the beauty of this home. On the opposite side, you have the TV area, and it comes with subsections and intercom ready. Behind me, you have the dining area of this room, and on the far end, you have the kitchen. I'll show you the dining room. The dining area comes big enough to fit a family of 6 to 10 people. On my right hand side, you have this wash basin that you use to clean your hands just before you have your ugali. On this side, you have these cabinets that are big enough to fit your crockery or your cutlery. This section separates the dining area from the kitchen. This kitchen can be accessed through 2 doors. We have this door in the dining area and we have another door in the living room. Next to me, you have this door that leads to the laundry area. The kitchen comes with upper and lower cabinets. And this is the sink area. The sink area has a double sink for easy washing and rinsing of your utensils. On the opposite side, you have extra storage, and this space is set aside for your cooking stove. This opening opens to the area under the stairs, and in here you have a space that is set aside for your refrigerator. The extra storage down here can be used as your pantry, though I won't call it that. I'll show you the laundry area. This door opens to this walkway that leads you to the laundry area. The laundry area is not that big, though it's manageable. Let's get back inside. From the laundry area through the kitchen, these stairs leads to the upper level. On this level, we still have the common toilet and the guest bedroom. I'll show you the common toilet. At the entrance here, you have a wash basin, and in here you have a water closet and all the other toiletries. I'll show you the guest bedroom. At the entrance of the guest bedroom, you are welcomed by this big space that is big enough for your guests. The guest room comes with this big window that gives you maximum natural light, and on the opposite side, you have the guest closet. The guest closet is big enough, and it comes with 3 drawers down here. And here you have more space for your guests. One thing to note about the guest bedroom is the ceilings. They are well crafted with multiple colors. I don't know the purpose. Let's continue. From the guest bedroom, let's head upstairs. The upper level has been reserved for the bedrooms. On my right hand side, you have the first bedroom. On my left hand side, you have the second bedroom. And on the far front, you have the primary bedroom. I admire the work that has been done on this grill, and the view of the stairs area from here is lovely. Let's head to the first bedroom. This is the smallest of the bedrooms, and I believe it was meant for the kids. This room comes with a mini closet that is big enough to fit baby clothes. This room can also be used as the employee quarters. The funniest thing about this bedroom is that it comes with a balcony. Who needs a balcony in such a small room? Anyway, let me show you outside. As you can see, the balcony gives you very good views of Matangi area, and that's all. I'll show you the bathroom of this room. The bathroom is here. And it's very pink. This bathroom comes with a water closet on this side and a wash basin on this other side. The bathroom also comes with all the other showering amenities, and that's all. From the first bedroom, the second bedroom is here. Just come inside. At the entrance, you have the washroom area, and it comes with a blue basin and a blue themed bathroom. The bathroom comes with a water closet and all the showering amenities. I'll show you the bedroom. The bedroom is bigger than the first bedroom, and it comes with its window here that gives you maximum natural light, and the closet is on this other side. This closet is way bigger than you need, and it comes with some sectioned parts there, and on this far end you have 3 drawers and you have an extra storage up there. From here, I'll take you to the primary bedroom. Just follow me. Wow, I am impressed. This is the biggest of all the bedrooms. And it comes with its mini walk-in closet here, and the bathroom is on this far end. This bedroom comes with this section here that is set aside for your TV, and it comes with several shelves. This door opens to the balcony of this bedroom. But before I show you outside, have a look at the heart-crafted gypsum ceiling. It's impressive. Let's get outside. From here, you get very good views of the surrounding, and as you can see, Matangi is a fairly developed locality. This bedroom also comes with 2 windows. On this far end, you have the mini walk-in closet. And you can use it as his and her closet because you have this section that can be reserved for your partner. And then you have an extra section here that can be reserved for you. I'll show you the bathroom. This is the biggest of all the bathrooms. And you have a water closet here, a wash basin on the far end, and you have this area that is reserved for your bathtub. The bathroom comes with all the other showering amenities, and that's all for this bedroom. We have come to the end of the tour, and if this unit is not in your bucket list, I don't know what is. That's all for today. Subscribe.
Time I'm fading fast, I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past, I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack, restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose, what do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.